Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to change password on Bybit application. So let's jump to the process. First, open your Bybit application on your mobile phone. Now, make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you can see your profile present at the top left corner. Tap on it. Then tap on small settings gear icon present at the top right corner. Now here you'll be able to find security option, tap on it, then tap on change password option. Now to change your password, first tap on old password box and enter the password of your account. Then tap on new password box and enter the password that you want to change to. Make sure that your password is strong, then tap on confirm option. With this, your password will be changed and now you'll be guided to your login page. Now here enter the email address on the given box and then enter the new password of your account. After this, tap on login now. Then solve the puzzle by dragging the puzzle piece on the correct place. With this, now you'll be able to log into your account. And this is how we can change password on Bybit application. Thank you for watching everyone. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.